Hey kids, just to let me know, am I live or not? Your Baba is live or not? If I am audible and visible to all of you, I would like to see green hearts in the chat section. The chat section should run properly so that I can understand that. Yes, you can hear me, you can see me. Hi, Tripedeshwar. If I think we should share this stream. But my dear student, if just do let me know, can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes, Baba, you are right. You are right. Ashwarya, thank you. Thank you. Sahana has written one question that already I have seen. I will give the answer of that. Yes, Baba, loud and clear. That's really awesome. That's really awesome. Good evening, Mami Masim. What's her name? Mamta. Mamta, welcome. And Sahana, yesterday's question. Yeah, I will focus on that. So, everyone, Baba is clearly visible to all of you. Baba, you can call me Sharma. Oh, Sharma, thank you. Thank you. Now, one question which you can see in the chat section is asked by Sahana. Now, my dear student, today is, before I take that question of Sahana, let me tell you the practical chemistry. This is the first time anyone is going to teach. Yesterday, I took analytical chemistry and today, 11, warm welcome. Today, I'm going to take practical chemistry. And really, it will require your patience level. This lecture of today will really check your patience level. Now, if you have that patience level, if you can cram out, you can correlate, you can apply your brain, because rest of the things, if I talk about mole concept, those things require just brain. That brain is working over there. But if I talk about this chapter, cramming is also required. You have to keep the color in your brain. You have to correlate the things. You have to keep the things in your brain, hippocampus, so that whenever it is required, you can recall it. Then only you will be able to understand. Otherwise, finished. Oh, in slide, again, it's 20 plus. Which slide? Oh, let me correct it. I think, Sahana, thank you. Thank you. So let me write down, it's Baba's experience is 27 plus, and the slide is indicating just, so it's 27 plus. So those who are new, just remember that Baba has produced number of ranks. If you have seen today's lecture, then you can find it out. So I'm not going to waste the time over there. Let me give the answer. Yeah, Telegram link. So my team is forgetting the things. So let me tell you the Telegram link. Thank you. Thank you. Telegram link is, Telegram link they will share over there. Let me write down. Telegram is t.me/HSPN. HSPN, right? This is Telegram. So people can go over there. Now, first of all, 11, do let me know that have you seen yesterday's lecture? 11. Just to let me know, have you seen yesterday's lecture? Ashwarya, though, yes, have watched. Sahana was live class only and Ashwarya was having some difficulties. Now today my shirt color can indicate, this t-shirt color is indicating that today really Baba H.S.P is going to tell you a lot about practical chemistry. So are you ready? Yes, everyone ready? Now see, Sahana's question is, sir, you said yesterday about Ferrus. So let me first of all take Sahana's question, that if there is ferrous salt, suppose if I write down ferrous salt, anything like FeCl2, right? Let me take FeCl2. So now, whether you are going to react it with a sodium hydroxide or you are going to react it with ammonium hydroxide, whatever you take, either NaOH or you take NH4OH, in both the two cases, you will get dirty white PPT of OH whole twice. Here also and here also. In both the two cases, you will get dirty white PPT of what? Dirty white. No, it's not dirty white. Sorry, dirty green or light green. Better to say light green or dirty green or pale green. All they can be given over there. Ultimately, it is green. Green in place of green, before green, light green, dirty green, pale green. Both will give you this thing. Now, if you treat it with excess of sodium hydroxide, if you add excess of sodium hydroxide in excess, if you add, no reaction. If you add excess of ammonium hydroxide, then also no reaction. So dirty green will remain dirty green only. Its color will not get changed. Satyam, welcome. Okay, Shubham, welcome. G3 even batch, warm welcome. So convey this message to each and everyone. I'm so happy to see Shubham. Will you share it to everyone? So KSP of Ferrus is less. So that I'm going to talk right now, the KSP. Okay. So everyone ready? So let me tell you that right now I will divide anions and cations into the group. You have to remember the group of basic radicals, that is cation, along with group reagent. Are you ready, kids? So let me tell you the next thing, very important thing. I'm going to tell you that the role of KSP. First, let me write down, my dear students, that the thing which we are going to deal today, that is divided into the practical chemistry, that is inorganic chemistry or salt analysis. If I talk about it, is being divided into anions and cations, right? So let me write down the salt analysis. You call it salt analysis, or you call it analytical chemistry, or you call it practical chemistry. Some people call it practical chemistry, or some people may also call it what? That is known as qualitative analysis. Which word, kids? That is qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis. Why I'm telling you all these names, kids? If you're not aware of these names, so people will keep on asking you, hey, some will say, have you studied salt analysis? Even though you have studied, but if you don't know what are the names, you will say, oh my God, practical chemistry, so I have completed analytical chemistry, qualitative analysis, that I don't know, right? Sohun, Are Sohun, I'm just taking your NEET level only. Oh my God, Sohun. Kids, thank you, 1111. I can understand. But what Sohun is writing, Sohun is my big fan. But Sohun is writing, please take NEET oriented class. Don't teach extra. We are not giving advance. This, oh my God, Sohun. This chapter, practical chemistry, no one is teaching. I'm teaching for you only. It is for, even I'm teaching just for 10th class, 10th, 11th, 12th. Sai Kumar, welcome, welcome. Now, Sohun, it is for you only. It's not JEE advanced level, right? Now, let me tell you, this is further divided into what? This is further divided into anion and cation. As we know that salt is made up of anion as well as cation, both together, combined they forms a salt. Are you getting my point? Salt. Now, my dear friends, I'm going to write down first of all the cations, right? I'm going to write down cations first. So let me write down cations first. I'm going to write down cations first. And cations are divided, are kept in different groups, are kept in different groups. Okay, Sohun is also correct. But let me tell you one thing. Today I have given you the strategy how to complete your syllabus in 15 days, 50 days. Now, today I haven't got that much of time, so to give you the way I'm going to teach. So, Hoon, you are perfectly right. So, definitely, my dear students, tomorrow in the morning only you will get the way I'm going to teach. Daily, I will keep two classes, one in the morning, another one in the evening. As in the evening, it is going from 7. In the morning also, I will try to take the class now, so that one portion of organic, one portion of inorganic, and another portion of physical. So in coming days, means after 11th, right? After 11th or 12th, I will keep 3 classes. Chapter wise, we will solve the questions, and along with the questions, their theory as well. So physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry in a single day. I will keep on that strategy. I will share with you tomorrow. Is that clear? Sohun is also right. Sohun, I can understand. I know you are a big fan of me. So I will take 3 classes per day, so that, and tomorrow I will share the way I'm going to teach. Is it clear, kids? 3 classes: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, chapter wise, starting from class 11th level. 11th, I will continue, so that all the questions of NEET we can solve, right, kids? Yeah, 3 classes in a single day, live. Yes, Baba will take live, and I will share the schedule by tomorrow, right, kids? Now tell me, kids, how is it? Everyone, just to let me know, how is it? Really good one. Yeah, in live. Now see, are kept in different groups. Now, how the division is done? How the division is done? Division is done. Division is done. Division is done on the basis of, increasing H.S.P value. Increasing what? Increasing H.S.P value, solubility product value of their either salt or hydroxides. Either salts or their hydroxides. That means if I say that if something is, if something is kept in 0 group, now it's not working. Just wait, just wait. Yeah, I'm starting from the scratch. Neeraja, I'm really starting from the scratch. This lecture also I'm going to take from the scratch. Chezian, welcome. Chezian, welcome, welcome. Yeah, let me tell you, this lecture I'm going to take from the scratch. Baba is taking from the scratch. It's not working. I don't know. Oh, this mosquito is there. See, oh my God. This single mosquito was not allowing this class to get moved. So Baba is starting from the scratch so that everyone can understand. Now, K.S.P value. Suppose if I say that it is increasing. So if I say that the basic radicals of the first group, their K.S.P, whatever the K.S.P value of first group is there, the second group radicals will have more K.S.P value, then the third group will have even more, then the fourth group will have more than the fifth, then the sixth, and then the seventh. Now only these many groups are there. Now you will say, sir, is this predictable? No, it's not the predictable groups. These are the groups of basic radicals. Are you getting my point? This is the group of basic radical, group of basic radical, group of basic radical, group of basic radical, and keep on saying groups. They are divided in 6 groups. Now, there is also one seventh group, but that seventh group, that is of no use. So what they did, if I say there is ammonium, so what they did from here, if I say the 6th or 7th group combined, and they are taking it in the starting, they have taken it in the starting, and 0 group, they have kept a 0 group, and that ammonium, it is interfering radical. No need to understand interfering. What is the meaning of interfering? It interferes in the detection. So ammonium, they brought it from there and they kept it over here. So what you will say, 0 group, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Only we have to study these many groups. How many groups? These many groups. So this is diminished, this is finished, leave it, not in the picture. So how many groups you are supposed to study? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear? Do let me know. Yeah, Sahana. So in the strategy I will keep bio and physics also, right? And one thing, though, daily I will make it in that way so that you can do proper revision. Okay, I will frame out in that way so that you can do proper revision. I will keep that thing in my brain. Okay, 6 group 2 times. Yes, Ashwarya, I have written over there that thing. So delete it from here. Okay, I have written it twice, so leave it. So that has come over here, the 5th group, and let me write down the 6th group. That 6th group vanish from here and make it a 0 group. Now what are the radicals which are there? Remember that, let me tell you, basic radicals, what I'm telling you, kids, that 0 group, who is in the 0 group? Do let me know in the chat section. 0 group, who is there in the 0 group? 0 group, who is there in the 0 group? Do let me know, kids. So the answer will come that, sir, ammonium radical is there in the 0 group. This radical word you have to use, radical, ammonium radical is in 0 group. Now if I say who is lying in the first group, who is there in the first group? So the answer is, my dear students, in the first group there is Pb2 plus, Ag single plus, Hg2 2 plus. Actually it should be Hg single plus, but Hg single plus does not exist, so it will exist like Hg2 2 plus mercurous. These are the 3 groups, the 3 radicals which are present in first group. I will not say all they are in syllabus, only they will ask chemistry about. If you are having your syllabus, just see which radical out of first group is in syllabus. Remember that. Inert gas, no, not inert gas, no, 11, they are not inert gas. See, you keep your syllabus with you, out of these three, which is in your syllabus, do let me know in the chat section. Keep your syllabus with you and do let me know out of these three, which is in your syllabus. Now, their group reagent is, remember that there is something known as group reagent. The one which is going to react with them, that is known as group reagent. That will be known as group reagent. The group reagent is HCl. HCl. What is the group reagent? Chazian is writing, Baba, have to wish to my wish to God, GMC seat 2 H.S.P. Baba should get more views and students reach to. Oh, thank you. So nice of you, Chazian. Thank you. How many days take complete chemistry? Tomorrow I will let you know in how many days I will complete the chemistry. Tomorrow I will let you know. Tomorrow I will make a video, right? Kiranji, welcome. The group reagent is dilute HCl. What is the group reagent, kids? Remember that dilute HCl. So when the dilute HCl is going to react with these three, you will get their precipitate. Which precipitate? PbCl2, PPT. Precipitate. This arrow is indicating it is precipitated. AgCl, the precipitate, you know, white. Mercurous, Hg2Cl2, what do you call it? Corrosive sublimate or calomel? This one is known as corrosive sublimate or calomel. Remember that. This is $1 million question. Examiner will ask you what is corrosive sublimate and what is calomel. So remember, HgCl2 is there, one thing. This is mercuric. This is mercuric. And second thing is Hg2, Hg2Cl2. This is mercurous, single plus, Hg single plus. Now their names, examiner has asked number of times. This is known as calomel, and that is known as corrosive sublimate. Now how will you remember their name? Because kids, they are forgetting this thing. So remember that. Chemical principles involved in qualitative analysis, cations, Pv2 plus, Cu2 plus, Pv, how many cations? Very good. Ashurya, keep it with you. I will keep on asking again and again. Pv2 plus is there. Cu2 plus is there. Okay. Now, aluminium, iron is there. And Zn2 plus is there, nickel 2 plus is there, and calcium and barium. The radicals, cations are how many cations in your syllabus? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to keep it in your brain. These 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 cations. So from this group, lead 2 plus is in your syllabus. Can you see? Only we will go in detail about lead 2 plus. Okay. Plumbers, that is in your syllabus, neat syllabus, right? Neat syllabus. Now from this, now in Hindi there is one saying, naam bade darshan chote. I don't know what you call. Yeah, tomorrow Baba include exercise in tomorrow. Yeah, definitely I will include. Thank you. Now naam bade darshan chote, ऊंची दुकान फीका पकवान. It is having more atoms, but its name is smaller. Compound is big, compound is bigger, but the name is smaller. Remember in this way. And the compound is smaller and name is bigger. Is it clear? Compound is bigger, name is smaller. Compound is smaller, name is bigger. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. Now see. They are precipitate. What are their color? So remember that. What is the color of PbCl2? I will let you know, right? What is the color of PbCl2? What is the color of AgCl? What is the color of Hg2Cl2? Everyone do let me know in the chat section. Ask AI. Everyone ask AI what is the color of lead chloride, AgCl and mercurous chloride. Mercurous chloride. Do let me know in the chat section. This is PPT. This is PPT. All they are being PPTs. Precipitates. All of them are precipitate. Do let me know in the chat section. Oh, yeah, Sahana, yes, you remember that. Neerja, thank you, thank you, thank you. Really thanks. Now do let me know. Tell me the color in the chat section. White, 1111, all three are white. Do let me know. All three are white. Jyoti, welcome. Jyoti, welcome. Priyaji, welcome. Everyone, welcome. Do let me know. All three are white. All three are white. They do let me know. All three are white. So can I write all three are being white? All of them are white. So zero group is there. First group is there. Right? Zero group and first group. Now I'm going towards second group. Second group. Now second group. Second group radical circuits. How many? 4, 3, 1, 1, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 radicals. Second group is the biggest group. Everyone, 9. So this is the biggest group. And the group reagent is first add dilute HCl and then pass H2S gas. If you have seen in your school, then smell of rotten eggs. H2S gas smell is smell of rotten eggs. Very, very bad smell. Smell of rotten eggs. Rotten eggs. Smell of rotten eggs. This is the group reagent. Always remember in your brain that this is being the group reagent. Will you remember it? That means all of them, they are going to get precipitated as their sulfides. Light yellow. HgCl2 is white, but HgCl2 is light yellow, or I would like to say a little bit gray. Little bit gray. Little bit gray. Right? Okay. So its color is a little bit gray type, right? So now see kids, this is okay. Now the second group radicals are precipitated as their sulfides. Now why I have kept like this? Why I have kept in lines? Let me tell you, their sulfides are black colored. Their sulfides are black colored. The first row sulfides are what color? Their sulfides are which colored? Their sulfides are black colored. Black sulfides. When you pass H2S gas, as soon as you are going to pass H2S gas in presence of HCl, they will get formed as their sulfides, which is black colored. They are black sulfides. Remember their color because examiner will ask. These are, their sulfides are yellow colored. These sulfides are what colored? These are yellow colored. Yellow sulfides. And now this one is orange sulfide. Orange colored sulfide. And see, this is tannic. This is stannous. Tannic sulfide is stannous sulfide. This one is brown sulfide. Which color? Brown sulfide. Brown. Mr. Brown. Brown sulfide. Now, my dear student, slowly, gradually, you can learn it. I'm not saying immediately you can learn it. But out of these 9 radicals, which one is in your syllabus? The main thing is that this to already there. Now you see, you must say, sir, this to already we have done. My dear students, lead is the only radical which is present in both of the two groups. Already we did it. Cu2 plus is the new. These two are in your syllabus. But I would like to say lead was present. Plumbus was present in group 1 also and group 2 also. This is the only radical which is present in 2 groups. No. Then chlorides. I will tell you chlorides are soluble in water. The solubility is, Sahana, very good question. All chlorides are soluble in water except few chlorides. Then the chlorides are insoluble in water. How will you detect? Because color will not be shown. Got it? Too hard to remember. Yes, Satyam, but you do one thing. Those who are not able to understand, those who are not able to keep it in the brain, hippocampus, do one thing. At least you can remember copper sulfide. If somebody is asking what is the color of copper sulfide? Black. What is the color of lead sulfide? Black. At least you can remember this much. Can you remember this much? That what is the color of PBS? Color is black. Black. What is the color of CUS? Black. At least you can remember this. Black PPT. Now, my dear students, you will definitely ask if lead is present in group 1, then how it came into group 2? That is the question. That is the $1 million question. If lead 2 plus was present, so really understand it. Have you ever filtered your tea? Have you ever filtered your tea? Whenever you are doing the filtration of the tea, a small particle of tea leaves are present at the bottom. Whenever, जब भी आप filtration करते हो, चाय को छानते हो, हे चंपा चाय छान दो. Pandu is the husband of Champa. Champa चाय लेकर आई है, Pandu को दी, and the last sip contains some tea leaves. Am I right? Last sip contains some tea leaves. That's why whenever, suppose if lead chloride was there, so lead chloride was the PPT, but you are doing the filtration. So lead chloride is remaining there as a residue, but a little bit amount of lead 2 plus will be appearing over here also. So if you go to the second group, this is the way we have to do practical. This is the first group. Check of first group we are doing, checking of first group. Now you are moving towards second group. So you are thinking that second group radicals, we will meet with second group radicals, but Pb2 plus will contain in the filtrate. This is known as filtrate, that is a residue. Remember that this is known as a residue, like the residue, whatever is left, and this is known as filtrate. It is known as filtrate, and filtrate are known as soluble part. The soluble part is known as filtrate, and the insoluble part is known as residue. Gets so this Pb2 plus along with these second group radicals, along with other cations, Cu2 plus will also come. No, sorry, Pb2 plus will also come, and that's why this is the only radical which is present in both the two groups. Baba, today you putting now 16 viewers. Baba, one day you will get 1.6. Thank you for giving crystal clear content, Baba. Oh my God. Thank you, Sai Neeraj. Thank you. Irrespective of how many people are watching, Baba is always meant for giving the best content. And my dear students, really, if you are from South India and I'm still teaching English, you can share it to all Tamil Nadu people, Kerala people, Andhra people, Maharashtra people, Lucknow, UP people, so that they can understand that yes, but Baba is giving you kids. Now, see, this we have done. Now, let's move to the third group radicals. We are moving towards third group. Just see, but one question is $1,000,000 question. This question is from ionic equilibrium as well as practical chemistry. One question is there, my dear students. Examiner will definitely ask this question. $1,000,000 question. That $1,000,000 question. $1,000,000 question. Why HCl is added before passing H2S gas. Before passing H2S gas. We know that second group radicals are getting precipitated as their sulfides. So directly, why we are not passing H2S gas? Why it is mandatory to add HCl? What's the reason? Chazian is asking, Baba, why Pb2 plus with sulfur? Because Pb has 4 electrons. Don't go into that depth. Yeah, you are right. That can be plumbers or it can be plumbing, but don't go, otherwise you won't be able to. Pan India H.S.P and assembles. Yes, at least you can tell 2-3 students of Tamil Nadu, Kerala that everyone should come. Baba is giving quality content. No one on YT is teaching this thing. Have you seen anyone teaching acidic as Sahana? One thing is acidic medium and second is why you have diluted. Okay, yeah. Now, why HCl and that HCl is dilute? One more thing. Why HCl and why dilute? Why dilute? Now, why dilute? Why dilute? This is also one question. And this question's answer you will get from if you have studied ionic equilibrium. Your teacher must have taught you in ionic equilibrium, and if that teacher is not teaching you in ionic equilibrium, that means that is injustice. Answer lies in ionic equilibrium. So have you ever studied this thing in ionic equilibrium? Do let me know how many you have studied this thing in ionic equilibrium. Do you think your teacher taught you this thing in ionic equilibrium? Your teacher taught you this thing in ionic equilibrium? If not, then Baba is going to teach. And one more thing, it can be like this also. Baba, whatever you are writing, it's like this only. No, it's not like. So you can search. Yes, common ion effect. But how common ion effect is going to work, I will let you know. First, search on YT. Ask AI what pH, what molarity. Okay, don't go for pH. What molarity of HCl What range of molarity of HCl is required in this group? For second group, radical precipitation, for this is $1,000,000 question. Examiner will definitely ask for second group precipitation. This we are talking about second group precipitation. The concentration, why dilute HCl? The concentration of HCl should range from which level to which level? That is corner. Yeah, I will tell you how to apply that common ion effect. But see, ask AI. Let's see what AI is giving the answer. Everyone just see what it is. 0.1 molar. Jyoti is saying 0.1. But it's not exact. The range should be given over there. Range. Thank you. Range 0.1 to 0.3 molar. Wow, you got it. 0.1 to 0.3 molar. You see what Baba was telling you, right? Baba is right or not? Now, let's see. I'm going to give answer of each and everything. Now this is application of brain. Are you ready? Baba is going to explain with the brain. See, by chance, okay. So before giving the answer, I have to divide it into radicals. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand. Yeah, why molarity came? Champa is saying, hey, why molarity came? But remember that before giving the answer of this question, I have to tell you the group 3, I have to tell you the group 4, I have to tell you the group 5. Okay, otherwise no one can understand. Oh my God, kids, you are giving this much of respect to Baba. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now see, before getting the answer of this question, we have to move towards another group so that we can understand. Let's see the third group. I'm coming to that question. Third group is iron Fe3 plus, aluminium 3 plus, chromium 3 plus. Now tell me which is in our syllabus. Aluminium is in syllabus. Ashwarya, you have shared the syllabus. This is in your syllabus. This is also in your syllabus. But that is not in your syllabus. The green ones, they are in your syllabus. Am I right? And the group reagent is, their group reagent is solid ammonium chloride. Group reagent. Group reagent is solid ammonium chloride. Remember that, solid ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, solid ammonium chloride and excess of ammonium hydroxide. So they will get precipitated as, by getting these things, they will get precipitated as their hydroxide, precipitated as hydroxide. Now one more question arises. What's that? If they are getting precipitated as their hydroxide, what was the need of this ammonium chloride? Why they have taken this ammonium chloride? So remember that ferric hydroxide color is, do let me know what is the ferric hydroxide color. Everyone just do let me know. Ferric hydroxide is do let me know in the chat section, everyone, if you know what is the color of ferric hydroxide, what is the color of aluminium hydroxide. They all are being PPT. In the previous class, yesterday's class, I taught you what is the color of chromium hydroxide. All they are being precipitates. All of them, they are being precipitate. Do let me know what is the color. It's not looking like, it's not looking like flag color, tricolor. Oh my God. Hey, I have been teaching for the last 27 years, but it never came to my mind. Ashura, I will explain why molality of HCl required. Second group, I'm going to come. Before understanding these, for that we have to understand these things. Otherwise, we won't be able. It's looking like tricolor. Oh my God. Reddish brown. Reddish brown. Reddish brown. Gelatinous white. Gelatinous white. Green color, green color, green. Yesterday I taught you green, green, green. Okay. Now this is one question. Why we are, what is the use of ammonium chloride? One more question. One more question has come to your court, sir, that why we are doing this thing. Okay. Now see, Jayaprakash is writing each and every year 4 to 5 questions. Yes. And this I wanted to tell you. Jayaprakash, Sahana has given really thing correct. You are teacher as well as father. Oh my God. Now see, the fourth group. Let's go to the fourth group. Oh, what happened? Where we have reached? Okay. So let me keep this slide over there. Let me come over here. Let me copy it. Now see. Let's reach to the fourth group. Now, right now we are having 2 questions. Till now we are having 2 questions. Now fourth group. Fourth group radicals are not. Fourth group radicals are. The trick is कोनी में लागा मंजन. Koni is elbow. Elbow. In our childhood, whenever we were doing brush, कोनी में लागा मंजन. Now see, कोनी मंजन. What do you mean by कोनी मंजन? CO2 plus nickel 2 plus Mn2 plus Zn2 plus. These are the four group. Which out of these 4 are in our syllabus? Do let me know, Aishwarya, you know. Do let me know out of these 4 which are in your syllabus. So I would like to say that nickel is in our syllabus and zinc is in our syllabus. Do let me know. Fast. Aishwarya, do let me know what's your answer. Which is in our syllabus out of these 4 radicals? Do let me know in the chat. Fast. And their group reagent is ammonium hydroxide. Group reagent is ammonium hydroxide plus HCl plus H2S gas plus H2S gas. Now one more question. For second group radicals precipitation as their sulfides, we have used dilute HCl. But here we are using basic medium. Here we are using basic medium and there we have used acidic medium, and these are also precipitated as their sulfides. So cobalt and nickel sulfides are black. Cobalt sulfide, nickel sulfide, black. They are black colored. Black. Manganese sulfide. Is there anyone who can tell me the color of manganese sulfide? Manganese sulfide is buff or flesh color. Buff means skin color. Flash, you know, not the skin. Flash color, right? Pink, or you can say pink, light pink. And zinc sulfide is dirty white. Zinc sulfide is dirty white. Hey Sinsim, where is dirty white? Let's see. I will say this is dirty white. Let me say this is dirty white. Now kids, now you are able to understand that second group radicals are also precipitated as their sulfides. Fourth group radicals are also precipitated as their sulfide. Now if I ask one question, that which sulfides are having more Ksp, these sulfides Ksp is more or second group sulfides Ksp more? So definitely the answer will come, these sulfides Ksp is more than sulfides of second group. These sulfides Ksp is more. Am I right kids? Are you able to understand? These sulfides Ksp is more. Ksp is more than second group radical sulfide. Kids, are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Because as the group is increasing, their Ksp value also increases. Now see, now you will be able to understand the answer of this question. See this one. Everyone see this one. Now suppose in the beaker, if both are given over there and they said detect it, there is Cu2 plus also, there is Zn2 plus also they have given. We know that it belongs to second group and this belongs to fourth group, right? Suppose if I say the molarity given, its molarity is also 0.1 and its molarity is also 0.1. Now by chance, if by chance we are adding direct H2S gas without adding HCl, if by chance we have passed H2S gas directly, if a student has done mistake, really it's a mistake. Why I will say it is a mistake? From this the sulfide concentration came. Before writing the sulfide concentration, let me write down Ksp. I don't know their Ksp value. I don't know what are the Ksp values. So let me say, let us suppose the Ksp value of Cu2s, Cus is, its Ksp value is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 80. I don't know. Let us suppose. I'm going to just teach you. So let us suppose. So Zns will be more. Its Ksp is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6. And the concentration of sulfide has come. The sulfide concentration from this rotten smelling gas has come. Let us suppose 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now let's see who will get precipitated. If you have studied, oh my God, thank you, Sai Neeraj. Oh my God, this much of respect, So we know that one thing we know very clearly, as we know that from ionic equilibrium, if ionic product exceeds the Ksp, what will happen? Do let me know in the chat. If ionic product exceeds Ksp, the precipitation will take place. Am I right? Now its ionic product its ionic product Cu2 plus. So if I write concentration of Cu2 plus, the active mass, and the concentration of sulfide S2 negative is coming how much? 1 into 10 raised to power minus 1 into sulfide 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So it is coming out all together 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4, and its Ksp value is minus 80. So it is greater than Ksp. Precipitation will take place. Now let's talk about zinc. Zn2 plus concentration ionic product, sulfide concentration ionic product 1 into 10 raised to power minus 1, and sulfide is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3. It's coming 10 raised to power minus 4, and its Ksp is that it is also greater than Ksp. It will also get precipitated. If both got precipitated here, if both of them got precipitated over there. Now, if both of them got precipitated, if you do the filtration, so both will come as the residue, and you will think that only second group radicals were present. Why? Wait, it's see. If both got precipitated over here, you will get some solution. You know that its color is black, CuS is black, and ZnS is dirty white. Do you think they will look separately, dirty white and black, or it will hold together, will look like black? It will look like black, or look like dull black, look like dull or fade black. Am I right, kids, or not? Now, you won't be able to separate them. In this way, you won't be able to separate them. It is just like the thing, let me tell you, it is just like the thing. It is just like the thing. If you say that mother made a tea, Champa, not mother, let me say Champa made a tea, and Champa made a tea, and what Champa did, Champa is going to do filtration, but the thing which she used, it is having these many big holes. If these many big holes are there, do you think that Champa will be able to do the filtration? The residue as well as the tea will come together. Everything will come down. Nothing will remain as a residue. Nothing will remain as residue. So in this way, they won't be getting separated. So what they did, they added HCl. Now, one more question. Should we add HCl after adding H2S gas? One more question is there. Can we add HCl? Can we add HCl after passing H2S gas? After passing H2S gas? So answer is definitely no. Now, how many of you are able to understand? Right now, nobody is able to understand. Answer is no. But how? I will let you know. How? I will let you know. When I'm going to explain it, you will understand why this can't be the answer. Now, see, I have added HCl. HCl being a strong electrolyte will convert into H positive and Cl negative. It is being a strong electrolyte. It's being a strong electrolyte, right? Now, if I am going to add ammonium hydroxide, if I am going to add, H2S gas, H2S gas is weak electrolyte because it is gas, organic gas, weak electrolyte will give H plus ion, but you know that due to this H plus common ion effect, common ion effect, there is common ion effect, and due to this common ion effect, Lee Chatelier will start jumping. Hey, tell students about me that due to common ion effect, that will say that I won't go back. I'm being that strong. This will get, I have to go back. Now H plus saying, I am going back, but I will not go alone. मैं अकेला नहीं जाऊंगा. I will take my sulfide also, because I have to go back in the form of H2S. So without sulfide, I can't go back. I need my sulfide. So both together will start coming back. They will start coming back. That means the arrow will be more on this side and less on that side. That means in the presence of HCl, the sulfide ion concentration will decrease. It will go in the backward direction, and the sulfide concentration will decrease. It will decrease. Let's suppose it is now 1 into 10 is for minus 50. It decreased. Now, common ion effect, you are able to understand? If yes, Jyoti, try to understand. So, due to the presence of HCl, it has moved in the backward direction. So, the sulfide ion concentration is now, just suppose 1 into, I don't know actually what should be the value. Exact value I don't know. -50, -60, -40, -33, -25. Exact value I don't know. So now it is like this, -50. Now tell me whose KSP value. So what KSP value we have taken? We took its KSP -80 -6. So CUS was, CUS KSP was 1 into 10 is per minus 80, and ZNS KSP was 1 into 10 is per minus 6. So now compare Cu2 plus 1 into 10 is per minus 1 and sulfide -50, -51. This is greater than this, greater than this. So it will get precipitated as black PPT. But if you see 1 into 10 for -1 and -50, its IP will be Zn2 plus, and the concentration of sulfide, its IP is just 1 into 10 is for -51. Do you think its ionic product is more than KSP? No, its IP is less than KSP. So it will remain soluble in the solution. It will remain soluble and this will get precipitated. Now they can be divided. I hope, is there anyone who has got it? Now you can separate it because it got precipitated. So once you are going to filter it, it will be called as a residue and this will come into the filtrate. So if you are going to do filtration, so now they got separated because now this is black color PPT, CUS, black PPT will be counted as a residue, and Zn2 plus soluble will remain as in the solution. So it will come as a filtrate because it is soluble, and all these soluble, they will come down and that will remain as precipitated. So they got separated. Now once question was, can we add HCl after passing H2S gas? Suppose you pass sulfide, both got precipitated. Now you are adding H2S gas. What will happen? Nothing will happen. It is just like, can we study practical chemistry after giving our NEET examination? Once you have given NEET examination, now you are going to study practical chemistry. What should be the benefit? You have to study before your paper, then only it is going to be benefited. Kids, do let me know in the chat section, have you got something? Is there anybody who got it? That yes sir, we got it. Is there anyone? Is there a single one who got it? Because we are studying practical chemistry, but you see the role of ionic equilibrium. Without physical chemistry, you won't be able to understand. Do let me know. 1111, are you able to understand? 1111, just to let me know you are able to understand. Sahana to got it. Sahana is able to understand. 1111, Baba, so HCl uses to present. Yes, Ashwarya, you got it. The use of HCl is to prevent precipitation of higher group radicals. That's it. The overall thing which we are able to understand, that the role of HCl, that is 0.1 to 0.3 molar is to prevent precipitation of higher group radicals. I hope that everyone is able to understand. Now what is the role? Why we cannot use more than 0.3 molar? If you are using more than 0.3 molar, then the concentration of sulfide will more decrease. then even second group radicals will not be able to precipitate. I hope you got it. If you are using high concentration than this, higher concentration than this, then the sulfide concentration will increase up to that extent that even second group radicals will not be able to get precipitated. I hope you got it. Now, what is the role of adding ammonium hydroxide for fourth group? If we talk about for fourth group, now if I say fourth group radical, let us say if I say ZNS, let me say the K.S.P value is 1 into 10 is for minus 6. Now Zn2 plus is there in the solution along with something else. Now if we are not adding anything and directly we are passing H2 as gas, and suppose its Zn2 plus concentration was 1 into 10 is for minus 1, and from H2S sulfide concentration came 1 into 10 raised power minus 15. Do you think it is going to get precipitated? No, because the ionic product of Zn2 plus into concentration of sulfide, that is coming out 10 raised to power minus 1 into 10 raised to power minus 15. So it is coming out 10 raised to power minus 16. So IP is less than KSP, no precipitation. Are you getting my point? No precipitation will take place. So what you're supposed to do, you have to increase the concentration of sulfide ion. You have to increase the concentration of sulfide ion. So to increase concentration of sulfide, what we are supposed to do, we have to add ammonium hydroxide. Now see, ammonium hydroxide, what is going to do, it will convert into NH4 plus OH negative, and now if you are going to pass H2 as gas, so it will give you twice of H plus and sulfide ion, and twice of H plus. These twice of H plus and OH negative will combine together to form water, and Le-Chatelier principle says go in the forward direction. More and more it will move out because the product is eliminating out. Once the product is eliminating out, what Le-Chatelier product is getting eliminating out. So your Le-Chatelier principle says if product is eliminated out, the equilibrium will move in the forward direction. So sulfide concentration will get increased. And now suppose it is 1 into 10 is for minus 2 or minus 3, whatever. So it will also get precipitated. You got it? You got it? No, not basic medium. Ammonium hydroxide. You cannot use NaOH. Tell me why you can't use NaOH. Here you cannot use NaOH. NaOH can't be used. NaOH can't be used. Can you think about why NaOH can't be used? NaOH can't be used. Why? If you are using NaOH, it is very, very strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte means it will provide too much OH negative concentration. Suppose if I say 1 into 10 raised to power, suppose minus 1 or 1. So all the further group means after fifth group means fifth group radicals will also get precipitated, also get PPT. Not only basic, the basic ammonium hydroxide only, because it is weak electrolyte, it will allow only its precipitation. You can't use NaOH. Too much science is there, kids. Are you getting my point? Why students, they're not able to understand inorganic chemistry? Because inorganic chemistry is not requiring cramming part. There is a something which you have to understand. You got it, kids? Do let me know. Everyone, you got it? Now let me make it a little bit lighter mode, otherwise no one will be able to understand. Okay, so let me write down one line and then I will start from the very beginning so that everyone can understand. Even a class 10th student, they can understand. Okay, even a 10th class student can understand. So let me write down your fifth group radicals, fifth group, fourth up to fourth group. I have told you fifth group radicals are barium, strontium, calcium. You know that barium, strontium, calcium in your Deepavali, on your Deepavali, you must have seen crackers. The color of barium, if I talk about flame color, if I talk about flame color, barium, in the flame, if you throw out barium, barium is apple green, apple green, apple green. Strontium is crimson red. Strontium is crimson red. Crimson, I will show you, crimson red. And barium, strontium, calcium is brick red. Calcium is being brick red, brick red, brick red. Before moving ahead, let me show you the colors. I am having these colors. Just see, wait and watch. Colors, Sim, where the colors have gone? Hey, Sim. Kids, I'm not getting, yeah, these are the slides. Sim. Where are the colors? Visible. Calcium, brick red. Only calcium is there. Rest of two are not there. Calcium is there. Can you see? Now. Now, kids, out of these radicals which are in your syllabus, how many are in your syllabus? Do let me know. Aishwarya is there. Out of these three, till that time, let me write down the group reagent. The group reagent is ammonium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium carbonate. So finally, they are precipitated as their carbonates. So you will get white PPT of barium carbonate, strontium carbonate, and calcium carbonate. You know that all they are being white. Calcium carbonate is Taj Mahal. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਲਾ ਦੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬੁਰਜ ਖਲੀਫਾ ਉਹ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਰਾਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਜ ਦਿਲਾ ਦੂੰਗਾ शाहजहां मैं तेरा मुमताज बना दूंगा ओ मेरी रानी रानी सुन मेरी रानी okay calcium and barium are in your syllabus you got it calcium and barium they are in your syllabus calcium and barium they are in your syllabus so we will see these two things in detail now this division I have done the basic radicals division I have done let me do the division of acid radicals and then we will start from the beginning so that even class 10th students can understand okay is that clear to all of you let me do the division of acid radicals and then we are going to start with class 10th level okay my dear students do let me know acidic radicals they are anions acidic radicals are known as anions. If you have seen my lecture in the periodic table, you must have seen the first group. First group is can't sure success. Can't sure success. What is the meaning of can't sure success? C for carbonate. A for acetate. N for nit is right, nitrite. T for thiosulfate. S for sulfide. S for sulfite. So let me tell you, even I have started even for class 10th also. So class 10th students also, they can go with this. Even class 10th students can follow this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, my dear students, the group reagent is what? Group reagent is dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. Remember that I'll either dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. Now, when you add dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, what they are going to do? Duration, I don't know. Sahana, duration, I don't know. I'm trying. See, I'm moving very fast so that I can teach you each and everything. Now see, any sort of these can't assure success, can't sing song. Everyone, class 10 students are there. I want to see this lecture by everyone, whether you are in class 10th or you are in class 11th, 12th, J, NEET, do let me know everyone. Everyone can't sure success. Can you see can't sure success? Can't sure success. Can't sing song. Either you can say can't sure success or you can say can't sing song. Carbonate. If you add dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, what they will do, what they will do, what they will do. If you add dilute HCl, what they are going to do, dilute HCl. So my dear students, it will release carbon dioxide gas. It will give your acetic acid. It will give NO2, nitrogen dioxide gas. It will thiosulfate, not required, not in syllabus. So leave this one. This is not in your syllabus. So remove this. Not required. Thiosulfate is not in your syllabus, right? So leave the sulfite. Sulfite will produce sulfur dioxide, sorry, H2S gas. H2S gas, and that will produce sulfur dioxide gas. So do you know these gases? Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky, NO2 is brown in color, it's smell of rotten eggs, sulfur dioxide. Now, my dear students, are you there? I think everyone got bored. I think today I'm teaching only, I'm not watching my dear students what they are doing. Are you there or not? Do let me know, kids. Are you there or not? Low. So I will move slowly so that you can understand. I think your headache has started. Your headache has started. How many of you are there? Can't sing song. Everyone. How many are from class 10th? How many from NEET? How many from IIT? Do let me know, everyone. Show me your presence. Ritvik is there. Very good. Everyone. How many are there? Do let me know. Aishwarya is there. Sahana is there. Class 10th students. 11 is there. Jyoti is there. Aishwarya is there. Very good. NEET. All NEET students. Yamman. Welcome. Yeah, very good. Now I'm going to start from basic, from the scratch. Are you there? Now remember that simultaneously we should know their solubility in water. If we don't know their solubility in water, we won't be able to do anything. Are you ready? Are you ready? Simultaneously we have to understand their solubility. Let me write down all these are carbonate. Let me write down on another page. Can't sure success. Everyone say, in group 1 we are having how many radicals? Let me become a little bit slow. Group 1, anions, they are having negative charge. Remember that anions have negative charge, negatively charged. Anions are negatively charged. So what is the trick? Trick is can't 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 T is thiosulfate, not required, not in syllabus. Can't sing song or can't sure success. Can't sing song or can't sure success. Which? So C means carbonate. Carbonate is CO3, 2 negative. Acetate, CH3, CO negative. Nitrite, NO2 negative. Thiosulfate, not required, S2O3, 2 negative. Am I right? Thiosulfate, yes. Sulfide, S2 negative. Sulfite, SO3, 2 negative. Clear? When you add the group reagent, what is that? Either dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. The group reagent is dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. What you will get? Do let me know what you are going to get. Here you will get carbon dioxide gas, which turns lime water milky. Here, leave it. Here you will get NO2, which is brown colored gas. Here you will get, leave this. Here you will get sulfide H2S gas, which is having a smell of rotten eggs. Here you will get sulfur dioxide, burning sulfur dioxide. So my dear students, this gas is brown colored. Can you get it? Brown. It smell of rotten eggs. H2S, smell of rotten eggs and sulfur dioxide. Both will turns lime water milky. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky, turns lime water milky, lime water milky. That also turns lime water milky. Then how will you distinguish? Turns lime water milky, lime water milky. So that day Yamman told us, Chaitanya, very good, very good. Now see kids, dilute, I will let you know why we are using dilute. Okay, Ashurya, I will let you know. Now this will not turn potassium dichromate. If you bring a filter paper dipped in K2Cr2O7, what is the color of K2Cr2O7? Yesterday I taught K2Cr2O7, orange color, no change in color. If you bring KMNO4, no change in color. What is the science? No reaction will take place. So no color change. Yamman, you are getting no color change. No color change. But if you bring a filter paper dipped in at the mouth of SO2, the orange color K2Cr2O7 will convert into green color and the KMNO4 color will get decolorized. Yesterday I taught you this thing, right? Now, is this much clear to all of you? Now, once this much is clear, we should know the solubility in water. Very good. Yaman, yes sir, Yaman this side with name Gema Thimanan. Okay, very good. Now see kids, the second group anions. Second group anions. Ashurya, your question's answer will come over here. CBI nitrate ox हो गया late. CBI nitrate नाइट में रेट ऑक्स हो गया लेट. कैन यू रिमेंबर दिस? सीबीआई ने नाइट में की रेट, ऑक्स हो गया लेट. सीबीआई नाइट में की रेट. व्हाई आई सेड 8? बिकॉज नाइट्राइट वाज in first group, so nitrate, it is in second group. C is standing for chloride, B for bromide, I for iodide, nitrate is NO3 negative, oxalate not in syllabus, so leave it. C2O4 2 negative, not in syllabus, so leave this one, right? Now my dear students, if you add concentrated H2SO4 or HCl, so avoid HCl because HCl is already there. So the group reagent can be either it can be, group reagent is what? Group reagent is concentrated HCl or concentrated H2SO4. Now people must be thinking, what is this group reagent? What do you mean by group reagent, sir? What is the meaning of group reagent? Group reagent is a chemical. Group reagent is a chemical which reacts with the substance, which reacts with the salt to produce something so that we can identify. So better is H2SO4, because if you are using HCl, then HCl is already there, you won't be able to determine. So better to use concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4. Now my dear students, you got the answer. Ashurya, if we would have used concentrated H2SO4 earlier, then whether chloride is coming, HCl is coming, we won't be able to differentiate, we won't be able to distinguish, we won't be able to separate them. So they are not reacting with concentrated H2SO4, but these will react. So it will produce what? It will produce HCl, which is colorless. Now, if the same reaction you do in the presence of MnO2, MnO2 is black colored powder, concentrated H2SO4 you are using, then you will get Cl2, and the color of Cl2 is greenish yellow. Remember that its color is greenish yellow, greenish yellow, greenish yellow. Its color is greenish yellow, 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 dirty yellow. Now bromide, if you are using concentrated H2SO4 with bromide, what you are going to get? What you will get? Br2. Br2 color is reddish brown. What is the color of Br2? Br2 is reddish brown. Remember that. Br2. Br2 is, now here also you have to add, MnO2. MnO2 concentrated H2SO4 plus black colored powder MnO2, then you will get Br2, that is reddish brown. Remember that, reddish brown. Now some people can write brown or they can write red, and now here you are going to get I2, its color is violet. Violet color, how it look like? See kids, are you able to identify violet? I don't know violet. Is this violet? Violet color. Oh, nitrate. Sorry. Let me make it a little bit shift. Oh, ayyo, Ranga Swami, just wait. Ayyo, what happened? So, let me rub this one because ayyo, Ranga Swami. In place of this, I have written there. So, go. Get away. Poda. So, where is bromide? Where is iodide? So this arrow should not be there, right? Arrow gone. Now, CBI, chloride, bromide over here. Code, CBI, nitrate, oxalate, not in a syllabus. So BR for bromide, iodide. I hope you got it. Nitrate. Ayyo, Rangaswami, I think you got it. Nato. Iyengar, what's going on? NO2. NO2 color is, what is the color? NO2 brown. What's the brown color? So let me say, is this brown? Kids see, is this brown? NO2. We are not able to see. Brown gas. Brown, Mr. Brown gas. Can you see? Now it's okay, kids. The matching was disturbed. So can you see the brown color? Do let me know, kids. Is brown color visible to all of you? Do let me know. Fast, quick, kids, quick. Do let me know, everyone. Yaman, really it's good. Yeah, questions, very good questions. Yes, I will ask. But before moving towards questions, I have to give one solubility chart. Without that, you won't be able to do anything. But if I'm giving solubility chart right now, how many of you are ready? You can grasp. You are ready to grasp. Without solubility chart, you won't be able to do anything in your examination. How many of you are ready, kids? Do let me know. Write down in the chat, yes, sir. Show me some emojis. Let me check it out that how many are ready for understanding solubility. Let me show you. This solubility, kids, Sahana. Let me tell you, even NEET student, JEE student, they don't know. And the solubility is given in class 10th standard C. Sahana, Ashwarya, you will get surprised. What is this? The Children, they are preparing for IIT NEET. They don't know the solubility. This is given in class 10th. Let me tell you, kids, this is given in class 10th. Class 10th, just understand, try to understand the level of class 10th. It is the table given in ICC board. ICC board. And tell me, NEET students, tell me, do you know? Do you know, have an idea about it? Now, what is written? See, the cations they have written sodium, potassium, barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium. It's like electrochemical series. And anion they have written. And they are saying if their combination is there, SS means solubility, soluble, S means soluble, S means soluble, soluble, and N means insoluble, N means insoluble, and SP means I am H.S.P. and they have written SP. SP means sparingly soluble, मतलब बहुत कम soluble. Sparingly soluble means in between soluble and insoluble. They're lying over here. Are you ready, kids? Yes, kids, it is given in class 10th. I have taken it from class 10th. If there is any class 10th student, do let me know. Yeah, this is from ICC board. I have taken from their book. If anyone from class 10, do let me know this I have taken from your book or not. It is from your book or not. Now, do you think that you are able to understand their salts combination, or should I give from my side? You see, now, you see, any salt of potassium is soluble always. Any salt of and sodium is soluble always. Can you see? All they are SSS. Can you see? All they are being SSS. All salts of sodium and potassium, they are SSS. Are you getting my point? Kids, do let me know. Now, yesterday what I taught you, do let me know, kids. Yesterday what I taught you. I would like to see what yesterday I taught you. Kids, yesterday I taught you the point that all salts of, first point, the basic point, all salts of, words any salt, all salts of amina है लीना की रब से फरियाद here अमीना की रब से फरियाद, or in English what I told you, Amina knows rubicis, Amina knows rubicis, Amina knows rubicis. That you remember or not? Do let me know, kids. Amina knows rubicis. Do let me know, kids. Now, if you combine any anion, with them, that means carbonate, their carbonates can't acetate. If you form a salt, ammonium carbonate, ammonium acetate, nitrite, thiosulfate, leave thiosulfate, sulfide. Now second group radicals, CBI, nitrate, oxalate, leave oxalate. If you combine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and form salt with this, if you know maths, how many salts will be possible, number of salts will be there. The combination of this will be soluble, always soluble in water. If somebody is asking, sir, sodium carbonate is soluble in water? Yes, this is washing soda. We know that it's soluble in water. If somebody is asking CH3COONA is soluble in water? Yes, sir, it is soluble in water. If somebody is asking KNO3, is it soluble in water? Yes, sir, soluble in water. If somebody is asking K or Na2S soluble, yes, sir. Na2SO3 soluble, yes, sir. They all are soluble in water. I hope that you are getting what I'm trying to tell you, kids. All are soluble in water. Now, if you know the trick, you can easily answer the question. How many of you are really delighted to know all of them? All are soluble in water. All are soluble in water. Soluble in water. Kids, do let me know how many of you got it. This is a really very, very important point. Yaman is saying, sir, see, someone is who is spamming. Leave them. Let them spam. No problem. Okay, leave them. No problem. Yaman, leave them. But you are getting Yaman, Ritvik, Sahana, Ashwarya, everyone just to let me know that are you able to understand this thing? And the chat should move way speedily. Any sort of aminos rubicis is soluble in water. Is it clear? So just try to understand this table which is given in class 10. What they are writing, any anion when combined with sodium, potassium, that is always soluble in water. Rest of the things they are not given. They have not given, but at least we can understand. This point is clear to all of you. Is this point clear to all of you? Do let me know. Everyone just do let me know. Yes, sir. We got it. Now, see the second point. See the second point. If I say the second point, carbonates. Second point is about carbonates. Remember that all carbonates CO3 2 negative are insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. What does it mean? Insoluble in water. But when I'm writing all carbonates are insoluble in water, we have to make one excuse. What is that? Except. I have to write down one point. Except. What is that? Except. Because in the starting only I have told you amina knows rubicis. Got it? They are always soluble in water. If you combine these cations with this is anion, other than these anion, if you combine any cation, they will not be soluble. You are getting my point. Suppose if I write zinc carbonate or calcium carbonate, you know very well. Calcium carbonate is Sangmarmar, Taj Mahal, CaCO. Taj Mahal is made up of calcium carbonate. Marble is made of calcium carbonate. So will you go to the Taj Mahal and you will ask, hey Taj Mahal, are you soluble in Yamuna? Don't go that. Yaman, will you go to the Taj Mahal and say, hey Taj Mahal, are you soluble in Yamuna? Water? No. Insoluble in water, insoluble in H2O. You can take anything, zinc carbonate. You can take anything, leave this, except these are always soluble in water. These are always going to be soluble in water, except these. You can take any cation with this anion. You can join any cation with this anion, they will be insoluble. Any cation, just take barium carbonate, insoluble, they are precipitate, insoluble. You take X, Y, Z, whatever, manganese carbonate, MnCO3, don't know anything but leave them, they will be insoluble, always insoluble. You are able to understand? Is everyone able to understand? Now let's go to that table. Just see this table where carbonate they have written. The carbonate is over here. Just see this line. Carbonate. All carbonates of sodium, potassium, they are always soluble, and everywhere they have written what? Other place they have written what? Just see. At other places you see what they have written. And all carbonates are insoluble in water. See, in class 10th only they have given such a great thing, kids. It's really mind-blowing. I'm not having any words to explain, kids. just in class 10th, what's the level of knowledge they have given. Sahana, Ashwarya, 11, do let me know. Class 10th student, even they don't know anything. And they have given this thing. So carbonates are insoluble. Now see, all the acetates are soluble, only this aluminium sparingly soluble. Now can we make a table? Can I make a table so that everyone can understand, or should I keep on writing like this? Can I make a table or should I keep on writing like this? So see, let me write down the table, otherwise nobody will be able to understand. Okay, should I make a table? So see, I'm making a table. What I have written, can't assure success. If you know the can't assure success, anion over here, I'm writing anion at this place, anion. Then solubility, writing solubility, yes or no, solubility, so that everyone can understand solubility. And the exceptions I will write down over here, exceptions, right? Let me make this table so that everyone can understand. My dear students, are you ready for this? Do let me know. Is everyone ready for this? Now, let me divide. Let me say first one is can't assure success. Can't means carbonate, acetate, nitrite, nitrite. How? Nitrite, thiosulfate leaf, sulfite, sulfite. Okay. Can't show success. It is in your brain or not? Do let me know. Or can't sing song. Can't sing song. T. Remove T because that is not in our syllabus. Can't sing song. Right? Now, all carbonates are insoluble. So I will say solubility is cross. Acetate solubility is yes. Where I added cross, I will say all sorts of amina nose, rubis, amina nose, rubis says they are always soluble. Amina nose, rubis says, are you getting my point, kids? They are always soluble in water. All acetates are soluble, so leave that. Now nitrite, just see the nitrite from the table because this table is awesome. Nitrite, where nitrite is given, get. Nitrite they have not given, but nitrates, all nitrates are soluble, nitrites are also soluble, all nitrites are also soluble, all nitrites are soluble. I have added soluble. Now sulfide and sulfates I will put cross, they are not soluble. So what I should say, the exception, amina nose always soluble, amina nose, rubis cis, I have got it here also, amina nose, rubicis. Got it? Got it? These are not solid. Let me show you sulfite and sulfite. Sulfide and sulfite. Class 10th. It is given in 10th. See, where is sulfide? Here is sulfide. Here is sulfide. Can you see? Sulfide and sulfite. Is it visible to all of you? Sulfide. That amina nose rubis is all soluble and rest they are insoluble. Can you see? I think your headache is started or not. How many people's headache has been started? Do let me know. I don't think that you are able to understand, kids. Should I leave this? If you're not able to understand, should I leave this? Because it's not that easy. It's not that easy to understand. Should I leave this if you're not able to get it? Do let me know, kids. Should I leave it? I'm making this table very easy. By chance, like physics paper, it chemistry paper is coming tough, then only you will get some brightness very good. Don't. Are bhai, which brightness? This one. Yaman, this one. You are having your book. Are you having your book? Just open that book. Rest of the things. Yes, sir. Leave it. Are why? Why should I leave it? It's very important. Yaman. Others will cry. You should know this. What you will do in your examination. Little tough to understood. Okay. Yaman, camera. Now see the slide. Okay, you're talking about camera. Okay. Now check it out. Now check. Yeah, it's little too tough to understand. Cramming is to be done. Okay, okay. Now, let me tell you about chloride, bromide, iodide. Okay, let me tell you about chloride, bromide, iodide. Or should I leave it? Kids, do let me know. Everyone, do let me know. What do you want? The solubility part, when you keep it. Okay. Now tell me, should I leave the solubility? Okay, let's leave the solubility, otherwise your headache will start. Okay, so this much part you can keep it in your brain. Okay, now let's move from here. Let's start from here. Let me start from here for tomorrow. Questions. Okay, let me start from here. Now check, is it visible to all of you? Is it visible to all of you? Is this slide visible to all of you? Do let me know. I know that it's very tough. It's very tough. Something is better than nothing. So the solubility chart I will give you some other day. Now is it clear? It's clear to all of you. Clear. Now let me tell you a fluorescent. A fluorescent. Can you see a fluorescent substance? Everyone do let me know. A fluorescent substance, can you see? What are these? All are perfect, Baba. When you go near about your slide, it's bit okay. No, it's for NEET and JEE and class 10th. It's not for class 10th. What I was telling, even this thing was given in class 10th. So it is equally important for class 10th, NEET, JEE, for everyone. Agreed? Hey, everyone. Now see, a fluorescent substance lose their water of crystallization. Water of crystallization means, have you ever seen bhutta? Bhutta, you know bhutta? Bhutta, the corn. The corn, when it is baby corn, it is soft. If you press it in between your teeth, it is able to press, that is amorphous. And once the corn is becoming old or elder one, and if you try to cut it in between teeth, it is becoming crystalline. It becomes crystalline. So if any salt is crystalline means, you know, crystals are there. So the compound or the substance, efflorescent substances, are those which lose their water of crystallization, and then their crystalline shape becomes powdery when exposed to air. Those substances, those salts, those entities, when comes in contact with air, they lose their water of crystallization, and then their shape will change and they will become powdery. Powdery means something is crystalline, something is like crystals, you know, crystals. If you have gone to market, you see the barfi, you know, barfi crystals are there. But once you heat it, it will become like this, powdery form. Are you getting my point? Now is it clear? Amishek, welcome. Now you got it, everyone. Efflorescent salt. The definition of efflorescent. Efflorescence is the property of some salts to lose wholly or partly their water of crystallization when the crystals are exposed to dry air. So dry air says, hey, salt, ये पानी मुझको दे दो, जस्ट लाइक गब्बर, ठाकुर ठाकुर ये हाथ मुझको दे दो. So whenever you are having efflorescent substances, dry air will say, hey, ये पानी मुझको दे दे, हमका दे दे, हमका दे दे, पानी हमका दे दे, give me water. So for example, sodium carbonate, this is the formula of sodium washing soda. Washing, धोने वाला सोडा, धोने वाला सोडा, you know, कपड़े धोने वाला सोडा, the soda which we are using at our home. So if it is kept in the dry air, then the dry air will say, hey, I need your water of crystallization. 10 पानी लेके भाग जाएगा, एक पानी छोड़ गया, 9 पानी लेके भाग गया, dry air. Now this washing soda from hydrated sodium carbonate, when exposed to air, it will become powder. Glover salt, remember that I was talking about gabbar, hey ठाकुर ये हाथ हमका दे दे. Glover salt is Na2SO4 dot 10 times H2O. There is Na2CO3, here is Na2SO4. Remember that they can even ask the formula of Glover salt. One day a man was saying, sir, Glover salt is Na2CO3. I said, no, it's Na2SO4. Do you remember, Yamman? So Na2SO4 dot 10 H2O, dry air, haya, pani leke bhag gaya. Epsom salt is MgSO4. It's not visible, let me write down. Epsom salt is Epsom salt is MgSO4 dot 7 times H2O. Remember that how many H2O are there? Washing soda 10 H2O, this 10 H2O, this 7 H2O, dry air will take. Now everyone is able to understand. Do let me know. Now everyone is able to understand. It's simple. It's simply you can digest. Now the salt will come deliquescent, and after deliquescent, hygroscopic. Efflorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. What I'm saying, efflorescent, hey, efflorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Always remember in this way, so that in the examination you should not get confused. Efflorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Three things I will let you know. I will let you know three things. Efflorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Now see, मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, इनका पानी कोई चंपा खींच ले गई, ड्राई चंपा, ड्राई एयर इनका पानी ले गई और ले गई, पानी हमारा तू ले गई. Dry air have lost water. Efflorescent have lost water. Somebody has taken water. Have lost water. Now you know. This is a family. If somebody has taken away, snatched water, now they will try to bring water. So deliquescent and hygroscopic both are water loving. Both are water absorber. ये दूसरे किसी का पानी ले लेंगे. Water absorber. Water absorber. इनका पानी कोई ले गया. They are family members. इन family members का कोई पानी ले गया तो ये कहीं और से पानी लेकर आएंगे. बट इन दोनों में डिफरेंस है. Can a substance be fluorescent? No, not possible. Let me tell you. देखिए, ये पानी खो रहा है और ये पानी खींच रहे हैं. They are water loving and that is water donating, water loving. But deliquescent, while reacting with water, they will absorb water, but they will become wet. Deliquescent substance will become wet. गीले हो जाते हैं. पानी लेते ही गीले हो जाते हैं. I will let you know. Yes, S block, I will let you know. My cool tube. Now, they absorb water, but do not become wet. They are also absorbing water, but do not become wet. do not become wet, do not become wet. अब मुझे बताओ इन तीनों में से सबसे बड़ा पानी का प्यासा कौन है? लेट मी से एक्स वाई जी. इफ आई से एक्स वाई जी, दिस इज एक्स, दिस इज वाई, दिस इज जी. इन तीनों में से सबसे ज्यादा पानी का प्यासा कौन है? पानी का प्यासा. हु इज मैक्सिमम थर्स्टी? E D H. Who is maximum thirsty of water? Otherwise, in the examination, you will forget about. Don't mix, Yaman. Don't mix. Hydrophilic is something else. Hydrophobic is something else. That is the two parts of a single compound only. Here, compounds are different. There are the two parts of a single compound only, hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Don't mix. H. Is there any animal with H who is maximum thirsty of water? Can you let me know? हाथी. हाथी, H for हाथी. हाथी को बहुत पानी की प्यास होती है, खूब सारा पानी पी जाता है. H is maximum thirsty of water, right? Maximum thirsty, so that in the examination you should not forget maximum thirsty of H2O. Who is the least thirsty of H2O? Do let me know. Who is being least thirsty of H2O? Do let me know. This is maximum thirsty of H2O. This is least, but this starts from E. Elephant. Eagle. Can I write eagle? Can I write hippo? Yeah, very good. Hippo. Yeah, hippo. This is very good. This is hippo. Maximum thirsty of water. Now, who is least thirsty of water? Who is always releasing, who is not going to take water, who is always releasing water? E. Starting with E. Starting with E. Can you tell me any animal, word, who is always trying to eliminate out water, never takes water? Eagle. Very good. Eagle is not wanting water. Okay, eagle. Now see. Can you keep this much? Do let me know. If this much is in your brain, then only I will go for deliquescent and hygroscopic. Do let me know in the chat section. See. Then only I'm going towards deliquescent and hygroscopic. See. Deliquescent. Certain water soluble substances, when exposed to atmosphere at ordinary temperature, absorbs moisture from the atmospheric. Absorb means surface phenomena. Exposed to absorb. What is the meaning of absorb? Let me tell you. Suppose if I'm having one thing, and suppose let me say this is a wood particle, and I added water. I kept water. Let me say it is a table. It is a table. I kept water. Water is spreaded over there. Somebody, Champa, was drinking water and she kept open bottle. Now, two things are possible. Water should remain at the surface if the quality of wood is good. And if the quality of wood is not good, then what will happen? The quality of wood is not good, then the water will go inside this wood. This is known as absorption. This is known as absorption. Absorption. And that is surface phenomena known as adsorption. Adsorption. If something is remaining on the surface only, just like in the ocean, if you are spreading in the ocean, just like in the ocean, if oil is there, oil will remain at the surface only. Thank you, Pius. Oil, if oil is spreaded on water, that will remain on the surface only. That's its adsorption. Adsorption. So, certain water soluble substances, when exposed to atmosphere at ordinary temperature, absorbs moisture from the atmospheric air to become moist. They will become moist. Moist means they will become wet, forming a saturated solution, deliquescent. So remember the examples: NaOH, KOH, magnesium chloride. Actually, in our salt NaCl, this magnesium chloride is there. Actually, our salt, हमारे घर में जो नमक होता है, हमारे घरों में जो नमक होता है, NaCl होता है, that is not deliquescent. हमारे घर में जो नमक आता है, in our household, Tata salt or whatever the salt is coming, that is having traces of MgCl2. MgCl2, absorb only given. Oh, I was telling you adsorption, but okay. I thought it's absorb only given. Sahana, yo, no problem. So see, I think it's looking very black. Oh, sorry, Amman. I thought adsorption is given. No problem, absorbs. But you got two things. One is adsorption, one is absorption. That I have seen. But now see, in NaCl, MgCl2 is there. That's why our household NaCl is also traces of MgCl2 is given. That's why हमारे घर में जो नमक होता है, if you keep the salt for some time, then it will become wet. Have you seen? Yeah. Something is happening over there. Something, just wait. Let me call somebody, my team. They will make it. They will rectify. They will rectify it. I think till now the board is looking very black. Now is it okay? I don't think it's okay. It becomes moist. Yes. Now it's bright. Now is it bright, kids? Now it's bright. Now is it okay? Now what are the examples of deliquescent? What are the examples of deliquescent? Remember that NaOH, KOH, MgCl2, zinc chloride. Will you be able to remember it? Will you be able to learn this formula? At least you should remember that. Yeah, it's auto-focusing. Yes, Yaman. Yaman, you know everything. Yaman, you know each and everything, huh? How you know each and everything? Very good. Now see, kids. Will you be able to remember? So what we can do? Maximum chlorides and 2OH. So how to remember? Maximum are chloride, maximum are chlorides, and 2 are OH. Can you keep this in your brain? Is it okay? Deliquescent is clear. Now let's go to hygroscopic. Hygroscopic, they are absorbing moisture from the atmosphere and that's not become wet. Does not become wet. See, hygroscopic. Everyone see hygroscopic. Hygroscopic. Some salts absorbs moisture from the atmosphere without getting dissolved. Hygroscopic, and these are hygroscopic. H2SO4. H2SO4 पानी का प्यासा होता है और P2O5 उसका भी पानी ले ले, बहुत बड़ा पानी का प्यासा. P2O5 is written और P4O10 is written. They all are पानी के प्यासा. Quick line, you know quick line. हम बचपन में कहानियां सुनते थे, एक गाड़ी में सफेद कलर का कुछ जा रहा है. Have you seen white wash? At your home, white wash, have you ever seen? What they are doing, they are taking calcium oxide. They are taking calcium oxide and once they are adding water to it, once they are adding H2O to this, and then lot of fire comes because it absorbs moisture. Lot of fire is getting produced. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen? So remember these examples of hygroscopic: efflorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Is it clear, kids? Do let me know. Efflorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic, and the examples clear. Concentrated H2SO4, पानी का प्यासा. इसीलिए तेजाब, you must have seen in movies, some villain is throwing H2SO4 on somebody's face and the face becomes black. You must have seen in movies. That's why H2SO4 is not allowed to sail. That is only for commercial purposes. So they are snatching water. If you put H2SO4 on plant will burn because H2SO4 will take out the whole amount of water. It's like Thanos or something else. Hey, Yaman, come back. Yaman, focus over here only. Where you have gone? Hey, Yaman, what are you doing? Bismith. Play hygroscopic. Everyone say hygroscopic. These are hygroscopic in nature. This is written silica gel. The fourth one is written silica gel. Now will you keep this in your brain? Everyone tell me. I'm going to ask questions. I will ask questions after some time. I will ask question: efflorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic, all three examples. Let's see how much you are able to understand. Do let me know. Let me write down one question. Do let me know. This compound is caustic soda is. Write down in the chat. Caustic soda is. Do you know caustic soda? Caustic soda is NaOH. What will you say? It's a fluorescent, deliquescent, or hygroscopic. Do let me know in the chat section. Everyone do let me know. It's a fluorescent, deliquescent, or hygroscopic. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. Do let me know. Fluorescent, deliquescent, or hygroscopic. Sahana is writing deliquescent. Silica gel, SiO2. Yes, yes, yes. Do let me know. Deliquescent. Ashwarya is going for deliquescent. Definitely. So class 10th student, Ritvik, NaOH. Are NaOH is okay. What it is? Everyone has given the answer. What are you doing? Yamman and Ritvik, you are not giving the answer. The answer is being deliquescent. They are being deliquescent. But I haven't got answer from Yamman and very bad. Very bad. I'm not going to talk to you. Let's not talk to you. 10th slide. I'm going back to my home. I'm not going to talk to Yaman and Ritvik. You're not able to answer the questions. What are you doing? What's going on? Yaman and Ritvik. Very bad. You're not answering the question. I'm telling you, I'm teaching you each and everything. Why I'm not getting answer from your side? Yaman and Ritvik. Now, another question. Are you ready? Make a promise that everyone is going to answer the question speedily. Speedily, I want the answer. Make a promise that everyone is going to answer it quickly. Quickly. Concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 is an example of fast. Do let me know. Speedily, the question. A fluorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Fluorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Fast. 11, 11, everyone. I want to see the answer quickly. A fluorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Concentrated H2SO4. Sahana has given the answer hygroscopic. So even you could have given the answer. Rest of the people, they are taking too much time. Last year I studied chemistry from you and I am now in Madras Medical College. Oh my God, thank you. Wow. I can't forget those days and your wonderful teaching. Sumita Sanju, thank you, thank you. Hygroscopic. Now, Yamman and Ritvik, you are too late to give answer. Hygroscopic. Answer is hygroscopic. You are too late. I will send Champa to your home. And Ritvik, I will myself will become Champa and I will start beating you. Now tell me. MgCl2, fast in the chat. MgCl2 is what? MgCl2 is what? MgCl2 is what? Oh, your answer was hidden. Now tell me what's the answer. Now let me know what's the answer. Are multiple chats will take just fraction of seconds. It will not take time delay. In case of multiple chats, Yaman, your answer will be on 4th or 5th position, but time delay, time lag should not be there. Now also you are taking too much time. Yaman and Ritvik, why you people are not on the first position? It is deliquescent. KOH. Do let me know what is KOH. KOH. Let me see. 11, 11 and Jyoti has given the answer. Yaman. This was previous. Okay. Yes, deliquescent. Yes, deliquescent. 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 Now, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, which you use in soda lime reaction. This you use in soda lime reaction. Decarboxylation. Hygroscopic. Ritvik is going for hygroscopic. Jyoti is going for deliquescent. Ritvik, tell me what's the answer. You have deleted your answer. Ritvik, what's your answer? Calcium oxide. 1111 is going for hygroscopic. Answer is hygroscopic only, but you are not confident. You are not confident. Yaman, yes, hygroscopic. It is hygroscopic only. So just see what you will do in your examination if you're not confident. So what I'm telling you, focus on studies, a fluorescent, deliquescent, hygroscopic. Now let's move on. If this is clear, I hope this much is clear to all of you. I hope that this much is clear to all of you kids. Clear, clear, clear. Do let me know, is it clear or not? Everyone just do let me know, is it clear or not? Now see another one. Everyone, see. Drying and dehydrating agent. One is drying, another is dehydrating. What is the difference? Drying means they will make anything dry. Dehydrating means they will take out water. They will snatch water. They are like gabbar. Hey Thakur, yahat mujhe de de. They will snatch water. Both are doing the same thing. But one is snatching and one is just making dry. See, certain substances remove moisture from the other substances and therefore called as desiccant or desiccating or drying. All three mean same. All three mean same. What three? Desiccant. Have you ever gone through this word? Desiccating agents, drying agents. You must have heard about LIC agent. LIC agent you must have heard. Have you ever heard the word desiccant? Desiccant, desiccating, drying agent. Drying is looking very simple. Drying is very simple. Desiccating, desiccants. Now, dehydrating agent, substance that can remove water molecules even from compounds. Concentrated sulfuric acid can remove water molecules from blue vitriol. Hey, Neela Thota, blue vitriol, CuSO4 dot 5 times H2O. He was singing one song, blue eyes hypnotize like the menu, blue eyes hypnotize करती मेन्यू. गाना गा रहा था I'm blue 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 है पानी पानी आजा सानी सानी blue 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 blue. Now concentrated H2SO4 came. Concentrated H2SO4 came. He said, hey, you're always singing a song, blue eyes hypnotize. Blue eyes hypnotize. I will snatch your water. Now your color will get disappear. So remember that. CuSO4 dot 5 times H2O is blue in color, but CuSO4 is white because its water of crystallization has been lost. How many of you got this thing for the first time? Its blue color is because of water molecules, water of crystallization. If somebody has snatched its water of crystallization, it will become white. Hey, do let me know, kids. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Now, so this is clear. This is clear. Now, next slide. Next slide. Can you see this slide? Is it visible to all of you? Is this slide visible to all of you? Now, is this slide? Let me have a water. Sip of water. Everyone, you can have a sip of water. You can have a sip of water. And I would like to see that the slide is visible or not. Okay, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. If it is not visible. Now say, is it visible now? Now is it visible, kids? Do let me know, is it visible to all of you or not? Is it visible to all of you or not? Yaman, what's your question? Dehydrating will take water even from inside. Yes, you are right. Yaman, you are right. Now, do let me know, is it visible to all of you? visible. Very good. Now see, this is really very, very important, and let me make it a little bit. Now I think it's clear. Done and dusted. Now hydrogen. This thing you have studied in your acid, bases and salt also. Break chahiye. Okay. So how many of you want to have a one break of 15 minutes break? We can take PDF. I will share. I'm continuously sharing the PDF. Kids, if you remember that I'm continuously sharing the PDF on Telegram. This Telegram link is pinned t.me H.S.P. and 15 minutes break can we take, kids? 15 minutes break. Right now it is 21:20. So let's meet at 9:35. Let's meet at 9:35. Okay. It's a break, tea break time. I would like to say it's a tea break. Tea break 9:35. Let's meet at 9:35. Let's meet at 9:35 p.m. Right, kids? Come with energy, eat something. Everyone just come with lot of energy, lot of ATPs, adenosine triphosphate. Everyone, call your friends, come with your friends, come with knowledge, come with ATPs. Okay, I'll be waiting. Let me have a cup of tea in while, right? Okay, yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back. Just to let me know that you are there. Show me green hearts if you're there. Kids, fast, fast, so that we can start. Because too much work we have to complete. Yeah, we were over here. We were over here. So we were at this place. We were at this place. Now this though you know very well already in acid basis salt you have studied magnesium and zinc when reacts with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 they will produce hydrogen gas. But I want to see green hearts or some other things in the chat section. Wow, that's very nice color. Sahana, it's purple color. I really love this color. So everyone just I want to see the chat running speedily that everyone is back. If everyone is back, chat should run with very high speed. Kids, do let me know that chat running with very high speed. Now see, this too we know that dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 to the reactive metals. What are reactive metals? The question arises, what are these reactive metals? Reactive metals, $1 million question which holds a hell lot of weightage. What is this being reactive metals? Now, if you know, this also given in electrochemistry, electrolysis, what is this? Reactive metals. So kids see reactive metals. So reactivity series you know very well, or I would like to say electrochemical series, you know that the reactivity of elements is like this. The reactivity is like this. The reactivity is like this. You can see these elements are highly reactive. These elements are being highly reactive, highly reactive elements, highly reactive. You must have seen this is for your electrolysis also. If I talk about electrolysis, the chapter electrolysis, very important for you kids, that is given over there also. Now see, my dear students, just see to it that any element add dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 to the reactive metals above hydrogen in the activity series. Above hydrogen, why I have drawn that, why I have drawn that, why I have drawn this? So all elements, these are more than above hydrogen. Hydrogen is over here, hydrogen is over here. So all the elements are above hydrogen. So all these elements when reacted with the dilute HCl, if you react any element with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, my dear student, dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, they will release a hydrogen gas. They will release hydrogen gas. Is it clear? Is this point clear to all of you? Is this point clear to all of you? All the elements, you should know this electrochemical series. That should be in your brain, in your hippocampus. That reactive series should be dissolved in your blood. Then you can easily answer this question. I can't see the chat running. You people not writing in the chat. Keep on, your hand should be on the chat. So I want to see that how much Josh is there. Everyone, I want to see the Josh. Josh is missing. So you can see all they are releasing hydrogen gas and they will form a respective salt. So it's very easy. So let me bring this one over here, that this side, where it's going to just wait. Okay, let me focus over here. Now this is visible. That means the evolved gas is colorless, odorless, neutral, HCl, and pure hydrogen burns with hydrogen. This you can pop sound. Hydrogen air burns with a pop sound. Pop sound is important. You can remember hydrogen plus air burns with a pop sound. Okay, got it, sir. Got it. Very good. Now see, I think this is not visible to all of you. So let me, Sim Champa, make it visible. See the technology. I hope that it's clear to all of you. Now oxygen. Now my dear students, why compounds are forming a bond with oxygen? If I talk about gold and silver, if I say gold and silver. Do you think that gold, किसी ने जमीन खोदी और कभी लगता है जमीन खोदी तो सोडियम मिला उसको जमीन के अंदर, और जमीन खोदी तो मैग्नीशियम उसके घर में मिला, but people are saying hey, he was digging and he got gold biscuits, gold, because gold, silver, mercury, leave mercury, gold and silver, they are very less reactive, so they don't need anyone to form a group. Gold wants to say that I'm alone sufficient, but rest of the elements they need someone, you know. कमजोर होता है उसको ग्रुप बनाना होता है, नंबर ऑफ पीपल दे वांट टू फॉर्म अ ग्रुप सो दैट दे कैन शो देयर एग्जिस्टेंस, बट गोल्ड सेज oh I don't need anyone. So now so they will always remain like Na2O, MgO, CaO or CaCO3 like this. कहते हैं ना शेर अकेला आता है, शेर अकेला आता है, और डॉगीज का तो झुंड होता है, डॉगीज का तो झुंड होता है. Now you got it, everyone got it, now got it. Gold is like this. So when you heat them, when you provide heat, heat bond तोड़ता है, heat always break the bond. दोस्ती टूट जाती है, घर टूट जाते हैं गर्मी दिखाने से, गर्मी, heat is always breaking the bond. इसीलिए when some fight is taking place in between friends, we say cool down, ठंड रख, calm down, otherwise गुस्सा अच्छा नहीं होता है. Heat always break the bond, so heating breaks the bond. So you see heavy metal oxide, if you heat them, they will release oxygen, heating them it will release oxygen. Can you see? Hey, metal oxide NO2O2, zinc nitrate Janu, naughty OT. Got it? This you have studied already, so it's very, very easy. Now see to it, kids, now see to it. Now, is it visible? Carbon dioxide, they are writing it is acidic. How to find out acidic? Remember that metal oxides are basic. They are basic. You have studied this in your acid basis salt. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Whereas non-metal oxide, if I talk about non-metal oxide, where they are lying in the periodic table, non-metal oxides, they are acidic in nature. How to find out, my dear students? They are present on the left hand side of periodic table, left in the periodic table, you know, periodic table, long form of periodic table, left. Like if I say sodium oxide, basic, magnesium oxide, basic. If I say carbon dioxide, acidic. If I say P2O5, acidic. If I say Cl2, ClO3, like that, they all. Sulfur dioxide, acidic. Sulfur trioxide, acidic. It is easy or tough? If it is easy, do let me know in the chat section. I will not ask again and again. You have to write down in the chat section. Yes, sir, we are able to understand. It's easy. So metal carbonate you are heating, they will form metal oxide and carbon dioxide. धुआं उड़ा दिया, यूपी में कहते हैं जर्दा उड़ा दिया या धुआं उड़ा दिया. सी धुआं उड़ा दिया. Metal carbonates on heating will form metal oxide and carbonate. Why they are not forming metal? Remember that if in place of this they would have given what? They would have given gold, mercury or silver. If they have formed silver, Ag2CO3. If they are writing mercury, Hg2CO3. Now, my dear students, if you are heating them, you must have studied. They will form Ag plus carbon dioxide plus O2, mercury plus carbon dioxide plus O2, because these are very least reactive, or you can say they are placed below hydrogen. Below hydrogen in electrochemical series. Who are placed below hydrogen? See, rest of the things are placed above. I will say these are below. Now, if you can't remember who are placed below, you can easily apply your brain. Silver is too much expensive. Copper is expensive. platinum is expensive, gold is expensive. All these things which are expensive, they are placed below hydrogen, and that's why champa, if champa is there in her ears, what should be around in her jewelry is made up of, do you think jewelry is made up of iron, sodium, magnesium? Suppose if jewelry is made up of sodium, champa is going to take a bath, no, champa will burn because sodium will explode. So the jewelry is either made up of gold or silver or platinum, like that. Are you getting my point, everyone? At least show me green hearts, kids. What are you doing? They don't want anyone to form a bond. They don't want anyone to form a bond. So rest of elements, they will exist in the form of oxide. They will exist in the form of oxide. But remember that if mercury, silver, gold is there, they don't want anyone. They will remain. So how will you remember? You have to remember mercy. The trick for this is mercy. Mer for mercury and C for silver. Mercy. Mercury and silver, they will remain alone. They don't need anyone. Next. Same. Show this page. Now, see, add concentrated HCl to oxidizing agent like this. Oxidizing agent, they are always in need of electron. So if you add oxidizing agent, concentrated HCl, they will form chlorine gas, because metal concentrated HCl, so definitely chlorine gas will evolve. And chlorine, how will you detect chlorine? Chlorine can be detected by two ways. One thing, chlorine's color is greenish yellow, and second thing is that chlorine gas will do what? Chlorine gas will do, mercy is a French term. Okay, that's really good. Yamman, now see what interference you are getting. Everyone just see. It turns moist blue litmus paper red. What is this? The gas is greenish yellow. Can you see? Write down in the chat if you are able to understand, kids. The chlorine gas is the interference. If some gas is, suppose what you are supposed to do, they will give you test tube. They will give you test tube and they will talk to you. They will say that in this some chemical compound is there. And what are you doing? You added HCl to this. You added HCl to it and you have started heating it. And a gas of color greenish yellow is coming out. A gas of color greenish yellow is coming out. The greenish yellow gas vapors are coming out. Which gas is this? What do you say? Greenish yellow gas is coming out. What will you say? Which gas? They will ask question like this. To the chemical compound, you added HCl, you started heating it. A gas which color is greenish yellow. Which gas it is? You have to say, sir, my lord, the answer is this gas can be Cl2. This gas can be Cl2 because chlorine gas is having color of green color. Actually, from here the gas will come out HCl, which is colorless. This gas is colorless. First you will get this colorless, but once it is coming to atmospheric, in contact of atmospheric oxygen will snatch its electron and it will convert into Cl2. Otherwise this is colorless. HCl is colorless. Just at near the mouth of test tube, at nearest the mouth of test tube, it will colorless. This gas is colorless, but once it is going to the atmosphere, the oxygen will convert into Cl2, that is greenish yellow. Is it clear? Am I very fast, or are you able to understand? Or kids, do let me know my speed is okay. You people are comfortable with this? You are able to understand or not? I can't see in the chat what's going on. Everyone is able to understand now. See, kids, that what interference you are getting. The gas is greenish yellow, having sharp, pungent choking odor. Pungency, just like mustard oil pungency is there, like that. Now see, H2O, it's giving HCl, and that HCl is converting into this thing. Second point, you see, it turns moist starch iodide paper solution blue black. Very important. Who is turning this? Cl2 gas when reacts with starch iodide paper. Starch iodide paper means Ki is there, and Ki and Cl2, it will form KCl by exchange reaction, and you will get I2. So blue black color you will get. Now next is pass the gas through silver nitrate, a white PPT. White PPT means if a chloride is there and if you are adding AgNO3, let me tell you, AgNO3, you will get white PPT. Let me tell you this thing in more detail. Let me tell you, this is known as silver nitrate test. Let me tell you, if chloride is there, if bromide is there, if iodide is there, let us suppose this is NaCl, this is NaBr in the form of salt, this is NaI in the form of salt, and if you are reacting with silver nitrate, this is known as silver nitrate test. So remember that what is going to happen, my dear students, AgNO3 and AgNO3, if you are going to react it with, Ag is having a strong affinity for chloride, bromide and iodide. Ag is having strong affinity for chloride, bromide, iodide, so it will snatch this chloride, AgCl, AgBr, AgI, rest of the things you can see. Sodium nitrate, NaNO3 is being water soluble. All salts of sodium are soluble in water, so this part is being soluble, will not be colored. But if you see, this is AgCl is completely white PPT, AgBr is light yellow PPT, AgBr is light yellow PPT, AgBr is light yellow PPT, and AgI is dark yellow PPT. Remember that this is very, very important for examination. Any type of examination, AgCl is white PPT. This is pale yellow or light yellow. You can say pale, or in place of pale, light, halka yellow, light yellow, and this is your dark yellow. Is it clear to all of you? If it is clear, don't forget to show green hearts. Dark yellow, and let me tell you, this is completely soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. This is partially soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide, and this is completely insoluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. My dear students, I don't want to see the chat again and again. If you are able to understand quickly, write down yes, show the emojis, because I cannot see what you are writing. I'm not having that much of time. So if you're not able to understand fire, you can show the fire symbol. If you are able to understand green, any color green. Okay. Now, it's not silver mirror. It's not silver mirror. Silver mirror is only Ag. Remember that. It's not silver mirror. Now, see. So I think this point is clear. Each and everything about this is clear. Now let's come to the next one. Come to the next one, kids. Come to the next one. Here is the next one. Let's see. See. Concentrated H2SO. But this I taught you. Once I taught you can't sure success, can't sing song. There was dilute HCl or dilute H2SO, but CBI nitrate ox ho gaya late. CBI nitrate ox ho gaya late. So see, this is metal chloride, NaCl, concentrated H2SO4. You got HCl gas. I said at the mouth of the test tube you will get HCl gas. That on oxygen's contact it will get converted into Cl2. Now see, kids, see what interference you are getting. Just see to it. The gas is colorless. Cl2 is greenish yellow, whereas HCl is colorless. Cl2 is greenish yellow, whereas HCl is colorless. If a glass rod dipped in ammonia solution, this is really very, very important reaction. I would like to say $1 million. When ammonia reacts with HCl, let me tell you, when ammonia comes in contact with HCl, when ammonia gas, when a rod dipped in, rod, you know, rod is like this glass rod. This is glass rod. What they are talking about, this is glass rod. When a glass rod dipped in HCl, when you bring a glass rod, so ammonia gas is coming. Ammonia gas, or either you put knife on watermelon or you put watermelon on knife, definitely same thing is going to happen. Ammonia is going to come in contact with this. This is acid. This is an acid, that is basic gas. Acid base neutralization, they will form ammonium chloride. Remember that ammonium chloride is going to get sublime in nature. and it is ammonium, dense white fumes. How it will look? Dense white fumes. Remember that, dense white fumes of ammonium chloride you will get. Now see to it. Everyone just see to it. If a glass rod dipped in ammonia solution is brown, now you are just listening to test. If ammonia gas is getting released, if you bring a rod dipped in HCl solution, then also dense white fumes. If HCl gas is coming out and if you bring a rod dipped in ammonia, then also dense white fumes. Either you bring an apple near to the knife or you bring knife near to the apple, same thing is going to happen or not. You are able to understand. So just see dense white fume. Now see AgNO3HCl white PPT, and this white PPT dissolves in excess of ammonium hydroxide. You will get this compound AgNH3 whole twice, AgNH3 whole twice Cl. Is it clear? If this much is clear, yeah, man, very good, very good. Kids, you are able to understand. You are able to understand. This slide is clear to all of you. Sahana, I am very fast, moving very fast so that I can complete this within time. Kids, do let me know. Everyone is able to understand. Very good, very good. Now see, next one, next one. Focus on the next one. Just see, kids. This one, this slide. If you see that metal sulfide can't sure success. I taught you over there. The same thing is getting repeated. Can't sure success. Sulfide. If they are sulfide, you add dilute HCl or dilute HCl. Hey, my God, kids. This I taught you in the starting only, kids. Do you understand? Same thing. Can't sure success. Carbonate, nitrite, sulfide. This is going to release sulfur dioxide gas. Sulfur dioxide gas, which will turn lime water milky. Carbon dioxide also turns lime water milky. Sulfur dioxide also turns lime water milky. But carbon's oxidation state is 4. Carbon's maximum oxidation state is 4. Can't donate electron, but sulfur from 4 to can choose +6. That's why this can change KMnO4, pink color KMnO4 to colorless, and orange color potassium dichromate will become green color. Just see, can't show success. Very good. Now see, let me show you, kids. Let me show you. See this, the observation. Sulfur dioxide, it's absorbed. Are you getting my point? That whether sulfur dioxide gas is getting released from the test tube or not, how will you understand? Because if something is coming out, if air is coming out, if LPG gas is getting released, you won't be able to understand. You can't see, hey LPG, but they are adding methyl isothiocyanates, methyl isomercaptan. Methyl isomercaptan is bad smelling compound. They are adding so that you can detect that there is leakage of the gas, methyl isomercaptan, right? So you won't be able to. सर सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड की वजह से लाइट येलो कलर, ना सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज नॉट गोइंग टू शो कलर. हाउ टू डिटेक्ट इट? कलर होता तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कलर होता, यू कैन डिस्टिंग्विश. नो, it's not colored in nature. Are you getting my point? It's not having any color. Now see, the gas is coming out from the mouth of test tube, but you won't be able to understand what gas is coming out. You can only see. Distinguishing test means only you can see, only you can smell. You can't touch it, you can't eat it, you can't drink it. No touching, no eating, only seeing. Now see, it turns moist blue litmus red. Why it is turning? How to find out who is going to turn blue litmus red? The one who is being acidic in nature. Anything which is being acidic in nature turns blue litmus into red. How to find out that sulfur dioxide gas is acidic in nature? Because sulfur is non-metal. Any oxide of non-metal is acidic and any oxide of metal is basic. So if the gas is turning blue litmus into red, that means it is being acidic. So sulfur dioxide acidic. Even P2O5 is also acidic. SO3 is also acidic. Carbon dioxide is also acidic. So acidic does not prove that this gas is SO2. Acidic If it is turning blue litmus red, we can only say that the gas is, if you are in CBCID, just like Dr. Tarika, Dr. Saluke, you know, have you seen CID serial? Tarika is saying, so, Dr. Saluke, gas is coming which is converting blue litmus red. So, which gas is there? Tarika saying SO2. Dr. Saluke will beat her. Hey, any gas it can be, any non-metal oxide. How can you say that it is sulfur dioxide only? All acidic gases are turning blue litmus red. Are you getting my point? So we have to do some more tests. So just to find out this is sulfur dioxide, we have to do more tests. Now see, if it is passing through lime water, it is turning lime water milky. Oh my God, now if you say, oh, it's sulfur dioxide. No, even carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. These two tests are not indicating that the gas is sulfur dioxide. Even carbon dioxide will turn blue litmus red. Even carbon dioxide will turn this lime water milky. We are not able to understand this is sulfur dioxide. So we have, so we'll say, we can say that it either is carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide if it's turning lime water milky. Now how to find out the gas is sulfur dioxide? We have to do more tests. Now see, it decolorizes pink color of potassium permanganate into colorless K2SO4. It changes orange. This yellow is wrong. Orange is yellow or orange. Never say potassium dichromate is not yellow. In your book, it's given wrong. It's not yellow, it's orange. In class 10th standard book, yellow is written, that is wrong. Orange color. Remember that. Hanuman ka bhakt hote hai K2Cr2O7. It's not yellow. Potassium chromate is yellow. Sodium chromate is yellow. Potassium dichromate is orange. Orange color into green color. Got it? Now this page is very, very important. No, it's not amphoteric. Who told you? Jyoti, carbon dioxide is a non-metal oxide. It is acidic. When it is coming reaction with water, it will form H2CO3, carbonic acid. Carbonic acid pK is 6.4. That is acidic. Jyoti, carbon dioxide when reacts with water, it forms carbonic acid, not carbolic acid. Carbolic acid is phenol. This is carbonic. Nick. It's acidic. Okay, now I think this is clear. This page is very, very important. Very, very important. Now, everyone see to it. At least you can show me green hearts if you're able to understand, kids. I'm doing a lot of work. Now see, ammonium chloride. Remember that any salt of ammonia, mark my words, mark my words, mark my words. What Jyoti is asking, sir, since CO2 is amphoteric, it's not amphoteric, it is acidic. It's acidic. Now see, all ammonium salts on reacting with alkali will always release ammonia gas, and all ammonium salts are white colored. All ammonium salts are white color except ammonium dichromate. So when they come in contact with alkali, they will always release ammonia gas. They will always release ammonia gas. All ammonium salts, any ammonium salt which on reaction with alkali like NaOH, KOH, calcium hydroxide, when comes in contact with alkali on heating, they will produce what? They will give ammonia gas. And how to detect ammonia? Bring a rod dipped in HCl. You will get dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. As I have told you, you will get dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. Is it clear to all of you? Dense white fumes. Kids, I'm not able to understand that you are able to understand or not. You are getting it or not. I want to see in the chat section everyone is being active or not. Only Sahana and Gamesh Mans. I can see not everyone's. What are you doing, kids? What are you doing, kids? I can't see. Ritvik, very rare. Yaman, where you have gone? Now see, kids, see to it. Just see to it. Is it visible to all of you? Now, you can see sodium carbonate and copper sulfate, blue vitriol, and this is washing soda and heating. You know that water of crystallization will go and they will become white. This is blue. This is blue because of water of crystallization. This thing already I have told you, I taught you. Once the water has become CuSO4 is white colors. Maximum people, 99% people will say CuSO4 is blue color. CuSO4 is not blue, it is white. CuSO4 dot 5 times of H2O. That, Yaman is there. I can see CuSO4 dot 5 times H2O. This water is very, very important. Without water, it's white colored. Clear? Got it? White colored. Now next, what inference you are going to get? Just see what observation you will get. Observation is the observation, colorless, orderless form, this. So you can see the reaction, it is pink colored. Wow, very tough thing. It turns blue cobalt chloride, but they will not ask. It's tough one, they will not ask, right? But this is important. This liquid turns anhydrous copper sulfate from white to blue. If you add water to this, if you are adding water to this, it will regain its color. So its color is because of water of crystallization. Remember that CuSO4 is, people will write in the examination CuSO4. Yeah, Sohoon, welcome. CuSO4 is blue. No, CuSO4 is white. CuSO4 dot 5 times H2O is blue. Got it? Got it? Got it? Better understand. Now see kids, everyone just see and focus over here. Now metal nitrate, you know very well, all the metal nitrate, they will release nitrogen dioxide, oxygen, metal oxide. This very, now if mercury and silver we are taking, they will give metal plus oxygen. They will not form metal oxide, mercury and silver. And sodium nitrate and put, this is very important. They will not produce nitrogen. Let me tell you. You remember that Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, their spacecraft were having paste of NaNO3, number of other things, but NaNO3 was also there. Why NaNO3? Why they are having paste of NaNO3? Because if you are heating them, they will produce NaNO2 plus half O2. And too much heat is required, because they will not decompose. Too much heat, then only they will produce this. They are not going to produce nitrogen dioxide. No nitrogen dioxide. They will produce, all of them, they will produce NO2. They will produce brown NO2. But these two, NaK, Na and K, their nitrates like NaNO3 and KNO3, they will not produce NO2 gas. They are not going to produce NO2 gas. Is it clear to all of you? O2 supply, yeah, they will give just O2 supply. So what inference observation we are going to get? Just see what observation we are going to get. Acidified ferrous sulfate solution, brown. Oh my god, this is very important. It turns, so NO2 will turn ferrous. This is Browning test. If you know Browning test, do you know Browning test? Browning test is FeNO-SO4 and water of crystallization. This is known as the formula of brown ring. This is very important. Brown ring. This test is very important. Brown ring. Now let's see. Kids, are you there? Are you okay? Are you comfortable? Now this is the observation. Let's see observation. So they have written the reaction over here. Zinc carbonate, zinc oxide. And this is very important. Why it is important? You know, residue zinc oxide, gas evolved is carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Already we have done. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Already we have done, right? Already we did it. Now this here is something important about Janu. About Janu, something is important. Just see what is written over here. Just see this one. Focus over here. What is written over here? If you heat, its color is yellow. If you cool, its color is white. Janu. In Hindi we say Janu लाल पीली हो जाती है अगर उसको गुस्सा दिलाया. जानू मेरी जान, सॉन्ग इज देयर लाइक जानू मेरी जान. जानू को गुस्सा दिलाया, हीट कर दिया तो लाल पीली हो जाती है. कहानी है यूपी में. तो ZnO व्हेन हीटेड बिकम्स येलो एंड कूल डाउन इट बिकम्स वाइट सिंड्रेला. तो गुस्सा नहीं दिलाना है, ठंड रख. व्हेन यू cooling it, Janu is white colored like Cinderella, white Cinderella, and if you heating it, Janu will become yellow colored. Is it clear? Janu will become yellow colored. Now, I hope this point is clear to all of you. This point is clear to all of you. Now, see, This yesterday I taught you. This thing I taught you yesterday, if you remember, that Cu2 plus is blue. Analytical chemistry, I took lecture of analytical chemistry. Are wait for 5 minutes. Just wait for 5 minutes. Class is going to get ended. Just wait for 5 minutes. Okay, Aman? Now, blue color, light green, yellow. This thing I taught you yesterday or not? Do let me know. And hygroscopic. See, this point. आपने कहाँ पे देखा ये point? मुझे बताओ ये point कहाँ पे देखा तुमने? ये point कहाँ पे देखा? Right now, I told you when I was teaching you hygroscopic. Hygroscopic. You must have seen. Okay. Now, what is left? Just see what is left. Clear. Completed. Each and everything we have completed. Okay. This though already I have told you. If you see this already I taught you. If you remember that, just see. हमने पूरा पढ़ लिया ये. Already we have completed or not. Just to let me know, kids. That anion present, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. Already we have completed or not. Tell me, kids. Do let me know. I will take just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Just see to it. Are Yaman, 5 minutes more. Just 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more. See. Yaman, don't go. 5 minutes more. This already I told you. Can't shore success and CBI nitrate, oxalate. Everything we have done. This so already we completed. Now this one. This one, what is important? This one is important, very important. Sodium color is yellow, golden yellow, and remember that copper salt bluish green, and potassium is this color. And remember the pH scale. Let me tell you its pH scale. And pH scale ranges from 1 to 14. pH scale ranges from 1 to 14. If anything is highly acidic, its pH is near about 1 to 3. If anything is highly basic, its pH will be near to 14, 12. Sir, what are you talking about? I am unable to understand. Let me tell you, kids. Let me tell you. See, the pH scale is like this. The pH scale is like this, ranging from 1 to 14. 1 to 14. This is being pH scale. It ranges from 1 to 14. And what is the middle point? What is the middle point? Middle point is 7. Anything is 7, that is neutral. People call it neutral, or it can be amphoteric. But if anything is here, highly acidic, that thing whose pH is 1, highly acidic. If anything whose pH is 14, highly basic. Now, I would like to say, if anything having pH more than 7, anything whose pH is more than 7, what will you say? More than 7. If pH is more than 7, that thing will be basic. If anything whose pH is less than 7, acidic. If I say something whose pH is 6, slightly acidic. If I say whose pH is 8, 9, that is slightly basic. Everyone, you are able to understand? Do let me know in the chat section. That's clear to all of you. Everyone, least is the pK, more is the acidic. Higher is the pH, more is more basic. More pH, more basic. Less pH, more acidic. Clear, kids? Do let me know in the chat section. Yes, clear. Now see, questions. Now questions, you can do it yourself. It's a time for questions, but too much time we have taken, so you can do questions by yourself, right? We have gone through this. Now the time has gone, so questions, time is not left. I'm sharing this slide. You can answer in the comment section all the questions you have to do. At night I will share the answer, right? whatever the questions are given, assertion reasoning is given, multiple choice questions are given, you are supposed to do it. I will share the answer, right? So this is all for today. All the best, kids. Do proper revision. So next time I will teach each and everything about the solubility chart I will give you, right? Or I will make one video on solubility, right? That's a fantastic way. Today most of the people got bored because of solubility. They were thinking, but how was the lecture? You have to tell me in the comment section. Okay, bye to all of you. All the best to all of you kids. Bye bye. Take care. But I want to see the answer in the chat. Will you do that? Will you write the answer in the comment section? Everyone, number of questions are there. I will share the answer, right? Bye, bye, bye. Take care, take care. Good night, kids.